Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to disable advanced comment filtering on Instagram. Whether you're managing a personal page, a business profile, or just like keeping your feed authentic, knowing how to adjust your comment settings gives you full control over your online space. Instagram's comment filtering tools are designed to block offensive or unwanted replies, but sometimes they can feel a bit too strict. Maybe you notice that some of your followers' genuine comments aren't showing up, or perhaps you just prefer to review things manually. Whatever your reason, turning off the advanced filter only takes a few seconds. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to change settings for. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you straight to your profile page. Once there, look toward the top right corner and tap the three-line menu, also known as the Options or Settings menu. From the list that appears, scroll down until you find Hidden Words. This section is where Instagram groups all of its comment and message filtering tools. Now, inside the Hidden Words menu, you'll see an option labeled Advanced Comment Filtering. To turn it off, simply toggle the switch to the off position. The switch will no longer be highlighted, confirming that the advanced filter is disabled. That's all it takes. With this quick change, your comments will appear without Instagram automatically blocking or hiding them based on its algorithms. Remember though, you can still moderate your comments individually or use manual filters if you prefer a bit of control without the automatic screening. So, if you've been wondering why certain messages keep disappearing or not showing up under your post, this small adjustment might solve it. Thanks for watching.